In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stabilize video in Premiere Pro. If you've got a shaky handheld shot and want it to look smooth and professional, this is a quick and reliable way to fix it inside Premiere without leaving your timeline. First, make sure you can see the effects panel. If it's not visible, go to the window menu and choose Effects to bring it up. In that panel, type Warp Stabilizer into the search bar. You'll find it under Video Effects, then Distort. Click and drag Warp Stabilizer directly onto your video clip in the timeline. As soon as you drop it on, Premiere will start analyzing the clip in the background. You'll see a status message while it works. Let it finish before you judge the result, and keep in mind that trimming or changing the clip later can trigger a reanalysis. With the clip selected, head to the Effect Controls panel to fine-tune the stabilization. Under Result, Smooth Motion is the default. This keeps the original camera movement but removes the jitter, which is great for preserving a natural handheld feel. If you want the shot to look locked off, like it was filmed on a tripod, switch to No Motion. That option tries to eliminate movement entirely, which can be ideal for static scenes. Next is Smoothness, which controls how strong the stabilization is. Higher values push the effect harder, but they also crop and scale the image more to hide the edges. A practical starting range is around 50 to 75%. If you notice excessive zoom or wobble near the edges, back this down until it feels natural. The method setting determines how Premiere analyzes your footage. Subspace warp is the default and the most advanced. It can deliver impressive results, but on some clips it might introduce warpy distortion. If that happens, try position, scale, rotation for a more rigid correction that often looks cleaner. For simple camera movement or subtle shake, position only is the most conservative and helps avoid unnatural bending. Finally, check framing. Stabilize, crop, auto scale is the default and usually the most practical because it automatically hides edges by cropping and scaling. If you want to see exactly what the stabilizer is doing without any auto crop, switch to stabilize only. This will show edge movement, which is helpful for diagnosing settings. If you're losing too much of the frame with auto scale, consider lowering smoothness or trying a different method. Play your clip and adjust until the motion feels smooth but believable. That's it. Clean, stable footage right inside Premiere.